So on my new bike, I picked up a pair of these Shimano PD-EH500 pedals. So they're the double-sided. They've got the SPD clips on that side and then flat on this side. I have the A530 pedals on my Monster Cross bike, and on that bike I had to drill and tap holes for these pins because the pedals didn't come with those. The EH500 comes with pre-drilled and tapped holes, but they don't include the screws. So I picked up an assortment of set screws. You want a flat bottom set screw. It's M4 and the holes are about 3 millimeters deep. That's why you want a flat bottom screw, not a cup point or a pointed screw. You want one that'll go all the way in. So I figured an M4 by 6 would stick out about 1/8 of an inch right there. You can see this is a 2 millimeter Allen key and the screw is just a little bit above that. So I think that'll be a nice length. It should provide enough grip. So they go in real easy here. I just have some blue Loctite and I just put a little dab on the end of the screw. Because these are wear items. After 5 years or so, you might wear the screw down a little bit where it gets rounded off. There we go. That's 2 of them in there. Let's get another one here. You need 8 per pedal. Just put that in there. Really small screws, so you don't want to lose them. I mean, they'll stick up enough so your shoe will pick them up. They will scratch your leg if you rub up against them. That is one downside of running pins in your pedal, is you can scratch your leg if you happen to, bump into it. If you hit your shin on there, you can get a fairly decent scratch. I find the pins to be worth the trouble. It's the flat bottom set screw. A lot of times set screws either have a point on them or they have a cup on the end, but that isn't threaded, so it's not going to go into the hole, be threaded in there very far. Yeah, there we go. 4 on each side. So M4 by 6. I'll put a link to the screw set that I picked up. I think that one I got has 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Bunch of different set screw sizes. I'm always needing metric set screws for my lathe or something or other. Plus I figured I could get different lengths just to try them. But yeah, there we go. So that's what you need. These are the Shimano EH500 pedals. And I really like these. This is the new design. It's already pre-threaded, ready to go. You just need to add the screws. And they come with a set of the multi-release SPD cleats. Yeah, so putting the pins in is optional. I prefer that with them in there. There's a lot more grip, especially if you ride technical mountain bike trails, things like that. It's always nice to unclip and then pop on there with the 510 soles on the Adidas shoes that I have, the Trail Cross Pro. They really grip well with those pins in there. My old pedals I did 6 pins. 4 is probably more than enough. So yeah, I'll see if I can put a link to these in the video description. So if you have any questions about those, post up in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching.